proper roast yam. Come in so people can see what I go on, because they have to know say I roast yam where I roast, you know, and burn some fire, you know, and give thanks anyway.
Oh my god, I'm just looking at it like.
Alright, look,
now I
so
feel like I need to
look, she gonna try the roast yam. Can you just
You don't eat the skin, yeah? Just the.
You can't eat the skin, man. The skin, I guess it's stuck here. Really good skin.
how it
No, I'm
tastes?
not scared. I ain't scared. I'm just like, we're used to boiling it, putting the skin. And we hit the skin, yeah?
Yes, people, you don't know what I go on out in nature. We have to give thanks to what? We have to give thanks to the moment of life, people, and the moment of now. Because look at me telling you, say, it's a simple process to the people. It's a roast yam. Yeah, man. Proper roast yam. Come in so people can see what I go on now, because they have to know, say, a roast yam where I roast, you know, and burn some fire, you know. And give thanks anyway for life, creation. Yesterday them say holidays. Some people call it Christmas, some people call it Kwanzaa. But big up for the moment, people. 24-hour kitchen. I'm Ringo Vision, and we're there, so the day after Christmas, the day after Kwanzaa, people, the day after the holiday, and we're kick it off. Good vibes.
Fire burn, red up. Hot. See me, yes, sir. Hotty.
Right, you know, you don't know, say, yo, we not play with the thing, people. You don't know, say, peer vibes are going. I just a day after the holidays, you know, I tell you, say, yesterday, everybody in the area, them lock up and whatnot. And instantly, you know, I say, we go forward out a do again, people, and we don't know, say, what look what go on, man. Yam where we was quick and fast. Because we say, we want to do something, you know. Big up on yourself. Yes, we're in the last week of the year, people, so go and big up on yourself. Said we're 24-hour kitchen. It's been a very active year. 2024. When me say 2024, it's not gonna be a normal year, people. Yeah, activity I got up, everything I got up. Yeah, man. We on Tata there, you know, outside. Said we, you know, yeah, man.
There.
So people also as well, you must look out for some new music dropping by Tata as well, because we're going to be dropping some music on the channel by Tata as well, people, yeah? So good vibes.
Out there. Aita.
Wow, look at this, man. The yama roast, nice on one side. So we just get a little spin around, and yeah, man, it's roasting nice. As you can see, that all this side here is kind of like, it's burnt, it look burnt, but on the inside it should be roasting like how you'd roast a potato, everybody, yeah? Good vibes, big up yourself. Yeah, man, some more fire log there. We have to take the time out. I just have to come out, people. I just in a department, just forward, you know, people, and say, yeah, boom, man, just have to burn some fire, said we. And at the same time, roast some yam. You don't know, say, roast yam is a nice thing. It's a root vegetable, people, yeah? So this one here is the puna yam that we're roasting. The one that come from Ghana. Good vibes. African yam, this one here, people.
Because sound clash is always red, always. We got some dub blade, fi bust up them head. You know dance all, I get misled. Roast na yam, 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 roast. I don't know. Cause fire without smoking. Zion Gates. I am.
Yes, people, so you're coming like the yam almost complete. So we're gonna do some tests right now. Yeah, man, are good vibes. So this is the process that you have to go through when you roast the yam, people. You have to scrape it, scrape off all that burn off the outside. Yeah, man, are good vibes. So what we are doing right now, we just scrape the yam, people. Yeah, man, good vibes. Yes, people. So Tata just scrape the yam right now. So when you say Tata, the one you say the one you ready?
Yeah, man, I'm light, you know. When I'm light, you know, so I'm ready, you see it?
Yeah.
Yeah, the time you have to cut your juke it, you know. You see it? And when you put it on the fire, you feel the weight tight different. You find the weight tight reduce to certain iris, you know, so jungle.
Alright, you hear that, everyone. So basically, what he's saying is that from the yam, the weight of the yam when you put it on the fire is heavy. To the weight when you take it off, it's a lot lighter. So when you know that it's lighter and not so dense, you know that it's fluffed up inside, people, yeah? And we can start scraping it and we can cut that yam and we can eat that yam. So, yeah, man, are good vibes. And you know, say, right now, what we are scrape the yam with is a plastic fork, you know, people. So, yeah, man, I get us style with the pan right now, people. Yeah, are good vibes. Are good vibes.
That's good.
Yes, everybody, yam is food. And food is yam. The yam is a root vegetable, everybody, yeah? And this one here grow underneath the ground. How long is the yam take to grow, Tata?
I say a year, you know.
1 year. Next piece of fork broke off, so we hearted. So one little piece of a fork we I use now to just scrape the rest of the yam, people. Good vibes. We're almost at completion though. Yeah, man, a good vibes. You see that? Yeah, man.
Finished product of the roast yam, you know. Quite light and nice. So I just give him a little last brush. See him here still. As you can see, we not have a knife to crepe him properly. The way it's supposed to crepe and look nice. But you see that burn part on the outside is good for your temple, especially certain people, them temple now function too right. You see him here. Because you don't know, when you roast food more time, it's the best way to have it, because everything still stay inside, but you suck out that extra water which is inside of it, which your temple shouldn't contain. Because you don't know your flesh or the temple or the Almighty itself, so you don't know you have to take care of your temple, not true? That's why I say right there, eat and drink most lively and most heretical. Because you don't know, I see some people like run down them food certain way, it's not good for you. You see it? Because if a flesh will run you down and eat your fuck out there on the journey. Aye.
Yes, everybody, thank you very much for staying tuned with this episode. As you can see, say, yeah, man, Tata just done scrape the yam. We just done took it off the fire, people, yeah? It's a good vibes. It's the day after the holidays, the day after Christmas, the day after Kwanzaa, people, yeah? Big up yourself, you don't know. 24-hour kitchen. See Tata, yeah, people, yeah? Yeah, man, it's a good vibes. Tata, so more time when we get back home, yam, the one you can serve up with anything.
Anything at all you want to serve you up with, man. But you see the way we have the yam right now, we just look and say we have broke the yam and eat the yam.
Mad.
See it? See how inside of the yam look? Aye.
Yeah.
So that means to say same like how we broke it. Yeah. I see we are going to just go and broke piece of yam and go and eat piece of yam. Because we don't have no knife around, not even to crepe it, just as we say. You see, so there's quite a lot of things more couldn't put in place to make it prepare the way it's supposed to prepare. Yeah, but it's out there, in the jungle, in the wild.
Good vibes, people. Big up yourself. You don't know what go on. 24-hour kitchen with their people. The work I put in, roast yam. Yeah, man, a good vibes, man. Roast yam, people.
Look at that.
Come in. Look at that.
Look at that. Bang.
Wow,
Bang.
people. Look at that. Mad.
Steaming coming out of the shell. Don't you have a bang up there.
Thank you very much, people, yeah? A good vibes.
Aye.
Good vibes, man.
This is up, that's again. Shelly, you want Shelly? Man?
Yes, people, look at that. Wow. Roast yam, you know. Yeah, man, roast yam, people, yeah? 24-hour kitchen. Look at that. Nah, my piece of yam cold up, you know.
Yeah, me a dry when they cool.
And you know what I want to say as well, people, yeah?
I like the way it's soft.
Super soft.
Soft.
Wow. You need water as well. You need water.
If you make it cool, man.
Yeah.
I'm tell you, dry.
So, basically.
It's like you know, so you can help yourself, man. Just in case. Oh, you got water there.
I got some sea moss.
See, man.
The yam is absolutely fluffy. It's amazing. It's got a soft texture. I told you, I give you some ideas of what you can have with the yam as an additional value. You can have it with some fried fish, some steamed fish, some steamed vegetable, some steamed callaloo, some steamed cabbage. You can even have it also with some stewed chicken. Whatever type of stew meat you eat, you can use that with it as well, people. You can stew down your meat and then you can have the roast yam as the additional value that is the filler. That's gonna actually fill you up. Yam are good vibes, people. Yeah, so Tata, if you could describe the yam to the people, how you don't describe it?
You know, say, if you actually listen to what Ringo Vision is saying,
Yeah.
and just take the time out to taste it, it will give you a better description more than what I'll tell you.
Yeah.
Because your taste bud will speak for itself. Nice one.
Good vibes.
Oh my god, I'm just looking at it like.
Alright, look,
Now I
so
feel like I need some soup.
she gonna try the roast yam. Can you
Yeah.
just
You don't
tell
eat the skin, yeah? Just the.
You can't eat the skin, man. You can't eat the skin. Make your sister taste it. But she's a bit scared.
how it
No, I'm
tastes?
not scared. I ain't scared. I'm just like, we're used to boiling it, putting it in the soup. And we hit the skin, yeah?
The skin is good for you because I scrape it, but we don't have a knife to scrape it properly.
You know what? All you need here, a good Guinness punch.
Good Guinness punch.
No, you can't have any. Oh, okay, give us some. You can have some.
Mad thing, all of the dog and eat roast yam, people. You see what I go and do? I don't know, joke thing. Yes, people, it's a good vibe. So I just want you guys to just describe the taste for me, please. Just
Banging.
That's nice. Really good.
Banging.
yeah.
Yeah, that's nice. Wholesome.
Like a road chestnut.
Roast chestnut, wholesome, healthy.
If you could have it and have a compliment with it, what would you add with it to
Oh, like, I feel like it needs a curry sauce or something.
curry sauce? So
Like,
she
put it
said,
on the curry goat.
all right. So you see that she'll have it with a curry goat,
Yeah.
curry
Like,
sauce.
you know, just mop it up.
You hear
Mop
that?
it up,
Wrap it up,
man.
yeah, man. With this, or soup.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
All right, a good vibe, people. You see, the roast yam are going with things.
Yes.
Good vibes. Good vibes. Thank you very much, yeah?
You too.
All right, people. You see. I don't know, joke thing. So we have a roast yam. Some more people go past. So maybe somebody else can taste piece more roast yam, people. I don't know, joke thing. I am a roast, you know. We done roast, you know. Pan fire, you know. Out of road, you know. Out of door, you know. A good vibes, you know.